So what time is it? Is it 11:35 a.m. or is it 25 to 12 in the morning? Either way you cut it, you've got two watches in this TicWatch Pro 3 GPS. You've got the AMOLED screen full Android WearOS watch, and you've got this LCD display in a very low-powered, translucent, transparent overlay that you can activate out of by simply twisting your wrist or setting it up to touch the screen, whatever you like. Two watches in one, two displays in one. You got all kinds of activity controls. Swipe to the right. You've got history of what's going on from Google in your life. This way, you've got your activity on a graph there. You've got your real-time heart rate and your actual history of heart rate for the day. You can do a breathing exercise, a voice recorder, and all these cards can be rearranged any way you like. When you swipe up, you've got information pushed to you from your phone or from the app, and when you press the side button, you get into your app drawer where you have access to Mobvoi's health and fitness activities. You've got your heart rate and sleep time, blood oxygen, and even a Zen moment to help you relax. You also have agendas and things coming to you from Google, a calculator. You can have Google Fit in here, Facer and Watchmaker for additional faces that are awesome to play with. The one you just saw was a Watchmaker face, the text display. You can even do payment with Google Play. All in all, it's a really nice edition of the original TicWatch Pro. It's thinner, it's lighter, it's beautiful, and it works really well. Check it out.